And the Shebas love helping. All right, what is it?
It's like a plaster, so it's real.
It's real. Okay.
It is brick.
So what are we gonna do now?
Well, I still think that we could hammer it off. I have a feeling that it's all on chicken wire. It's going to be taking some extra time to do the demolition, but I think it's well worth it to try to get the stone right off and go all the way down to the studs.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of work.
It's fun to demolish.
All right. All right, I'll show you a little tip here how to get some of this floor up. There's the hard way. Using a hammer. Or you can use a floor scraper. And it's a lot faster. And this also is good for getting up little concrete pieces and any of this glue that isn't level. All right, about 30 minutes in, and it looks like it's got about 3 hours to go. So let's just keep using this scraper here.
Shit.
Thanks.
You need to do this different.
Yeah? Of course. How would you do it?
I'd hire it out.
You gonna show me how it's done?
No.
Okay.
Even a dummy can scrape it up.
What's that?
Even a dummy can scrape it up.
Go for it. That's your part. today is take down drywall day, finish the demo. So let's get a little shot of this one. What you doing, Denise?
I'm putting a hole in the paneling so I can get the baseboard removed, or get the paneling removed without ripping the wiring of the baseboard.
It looks fun.
Yeah, it is. Would it be easier with the side? Yeah, but we also have wires there too.
You said the carpet's going, right?
Yes.
Yeah.